Mary, I want you to tell me about your favorites.
My favorites? Oh
Yeah,
my
you
gosh,
picked
okay,
out for
so
me.
this is my favorite, Vince. It's cashmere pullover. It's so cute.
Okay, that's amazing. Okay, tell me about the leather jacket.
Okay. I love this leather jacket with the heavy hardware.
Okay.
It's my fave.
Okay.
And then we also have this little Theory sweater tee. It's so cute. And then this Vince little suede jacket. This is the last time they'll ever do
It's
this
amazing.
body because their old designers are back and getting rid of this stuff.
Ew. Hey, thanks for helping
Oh,
me.
you're welcome. Bye. I was like, yeah, and then my next favorite is Jen.
Guys, I found the shoes. Laces or no laces?
Hey guys.